Hey, what are we making today?
Slime, and my mom's gonna help me.
Okay.
At Nio Babao on Instagram.
You wanna clear glue slime or white?
Clear glue.
Okay. For clear glue, step 1 is to measure 15 ml of clear glue. Ayan. Okay, so put 15 ml
Yeah.
of clear glue in that container.
Ito.
Stop measuring container. 15 ml. That'll take some time. Ang bagal ng glue.
Mostly I need to get the whole thing. Yes, I got this. Okay.
15 ml na?
Yes.
Okay, then stop. Okay, pour the 15 ml clear glue inside the bowl provided in the kit. Oh my gosh, booger time! Booger time while making slime. Make sure all the glue is in the Gross. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, ah.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Okay. Once everything's there, the next step is to pour
There.
water.
Done. Now what now?
Oh, meron pa dito. Oh, meron pa. Sayang, sayang, sayang. Sabi, don't waste the glue. Put everything there. But don't stick that. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Didikit yan.
Oh, no, didn't. I see. Anyways, what now?
Water. 25 ml of water. 25 ml of water. 25. It's next to 15. Is that 25?
More.
If it's more, bawasan mo. Put it here. Put it here. Put the extra.
Wait.
25?
Yeah.
Put it in the same bowl. Center. And then afterwards, now choose your additive. It's the color or the glitters. Color or glitters?
Color.
What color?
Blue.
Use the spoon. Or the stick pala, sorry. The stick. Okay? Here. 1 spoonful. Oh, use the spoon. Use 1 spoonful. And add it to the bowl, the one with the glue and the water. There.
That's not a spoonful, but it's okay.
Okay. Add it. Mix. Mix until the colors well mixed. See? So just put it there until it's well mixed. So I'll leave you to that first. Okay. I'll come back.
Yeah.
Okay. Mix. Next, step 3. It's time to put the slime activator solution.
Oh.
Slowly, keyword, pour it into that. Measure 5 ml. 5 ml.
Okay, 5 ml.
Yep, 5 ml. You see it? 5 ml of the activator.
It's not pouring in.
Oo, baka sarado din sa loob.
Wait, I'll
Open mo
open
na.
it. I'll open it.
Activator. Measure.
Wait.
Well, wala pa rin. 5 ml activator. What? There. Maybe you can do it this way.
I know how to do it. Do I have to?
Baka di mo ma-measure yan, ha? 5 ml lang. Bubuhusin agad. Bubuhos lahat yan, ha? Be very careful. 5 ml lang.
I think it's gonna spill on the table.
Kaya nga, I told you, dapat yung ano na lang, drops na lang. 5 ml of activator. Slime activator. And afterwards, Slowly pour it into the same bowl. Is that 5? I think that's sobra na sa 5.
5. Exact.
5 ml.
Yeah.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh. Put it in the bowl and stir it slowly until it thickens.
I put it in the bowl already.
Stirring
there's
slowly.
still some left.
Using the slime stick. Oh.
So do I use this to
Yeah.
get the activators
Yep.
out?
And then stir it slowly with a slime stick. Always use the slime stick, never with your hands. Never with your palms, never with your hands. The mixture will get thicker. The solution will absorb. Still stir until all the solution is absorbed. Take some time, keep stirring. Avoid contact with your eyes when using the slime activator. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now,
With contact.
ano ba? Ibig sabihin mo ilagay sa eyes mo. Okay, now stir. Until it thickens. Oh, it's already thick. It's already a slime. Look.
Oh.
See?
Now for the glitter.
Oh, later pa yun. It's not even, hindi mo pa
Can I
namination
take
sa side.
out this?
Yeah.
Even though it has some activators in it.
Yeah, put it here. Pero sayang, meron pa natira. Ang galing mo.
It's okay.
So after mixing it for quite a
So
while,
sticky.
you're now ready to knead it and work on it using
how do
your
I do
palm. Pull it, knead it, roll it, whatever.
Can I pull it out of this?
Yes, that's the time you use your palm. Yan. See?
What now? I
You
need to
can
get
do
it.
that. You can knead it with your, roll it inside your palm. Knead it
Okay.
with your hand until
This
it
is-
becomes less sticky.
This is
Oh, I think you made the perfect slime, dear. Oh, kasi hindi siya dumidikit sa bowl, oh. Everything is in your hands now. Congrats.
Thank you. Wait, what? Okay, so what now?
Put it inside your palm and roll it into a
And
ball.
eat it and eat it.
Roll it into a ball, and then eat it.
Okay.
Yan, ganyan na. And then the more you knead it, roll it,
Can I squish it?
stretch and pull it, yeah, it becomes less sticky daw because you're working on it. And then always wash hands thoroughly after making and handling slime. Tcharan! Yeah, are you happy?
Yes, thank you.
Slime boy, you're welcome. I love you.
I love you, mommy.
Let's make the green later.
Yeah.
Oh, put it in your palm first.
Oh.
And then pull it,
I
roll
just
it
need
in
to
your
pull
palm.
It out of the stick 'cause
You already did kanina eh. You returned it lang eh.
it's coming back.
No, you roll everything first and then tsaka mo na lang kunin. Kasi this is just a little compared to what you have sa palm mo. Diba? Leave it here first. Yan na muna. Knead it in your hands. Until you get, and Nio just made his own slime. Amazing, Nio. Oh. Kanina madikit pa. And now you can actually pick up the slime from your right hand to your left hand. So satisfying, ba?
Yeah.
Amazing. It's a good kind
Oh
of
my
slime.
gosh, it sounds like the app Super Slime Simulator. It sounds the same thing.
Yay.